Hey everyone, today we're going to make chocolate chip mini muffins. These are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. So first you're going to add mini muffin cupcake liners to a mini muffin pan, and you're going to use part of another pan as well. And then you can also spray the cupcake liners so that the muffins don't stick. So in a large bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of regular granulated sugar. And then just use a whisk and whisk it up until it's mixed really well. So set that to the side, and then in another bowl add 1 large egg near room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, try to get it near room temperature. Then add a 1/2 cup of milk, also near room temp, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter cooled down just a bit. And the reason why everything is room temp and the butter is cooled is so that it will mix up together and not clump up on you. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or actually 3 tablespoons, and then mix that up really well until everything is smooth. So now you're just going to pour in the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix that. And also just make sure that you're not mixing too long because you don't want dense muffins. And if you mix too long, it's going to come out kind of dense and sometimes kind of rubbery. Now add in 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, and you just want to mix this up by hand. So just use a spoon. You don't want to use your mixer for this part. And then add the batter to the mini muffin pan, and the batter's going to be pretty thick, and so you can see here that I used 2 teaspoons to help me put the batter into the little cups. It's a little tedious, but you'll eventually get them all filled up. Then you're going to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 to 13 minutes. And you're going to have some batter left over, so you just want to cover it and then place it in the fridge. And when your first batch is done, go ahead and bake the next batch. So once they're baked, just place on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes or so, and then take them out of the pan and put them directly on the cooling rack to cool completely or until you're ready to eat them. So I'm just baking the second batch here and cooling that for a little bit. And also, if you want to make a standard size muffin, you can bake those for 16 to 18 minutes. I hope you enjoy these. These are fun for both kids and adults alike, and they make a perfect grab and go breakfast. All right, see you next time.